I'm Stefan. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, and I lost 220 pounds. I had always really been a big guy, but I started really putting on weight after college. You think that after you finish college, the jobs start coming your way, but it's not like that. The real world doesn't operate like that. So I started feeling a little depressed. You get trapped in this cycle where you're sad, so you're eating, but then you're eating because you're sad. It's just a very vicious cycle. At 415 pounds, your size is a thing you have to account for. You get an offer from your friend to go out, and you say, yeah, I want to go out, but do I feel like bringing this person with me? This was maybe summer 2010. I was going to catch a train, and after 2 flights of stairs, I felt myself winded, and I was sweating, and I said, there's no way after 2 flights of stairs, going down, not even up, I should be this winded. That's the point where I realized I needed to make a change. So I went to see a nutritionist. He said, let's start small. We took out a lot of the carbs. I also cut out sugary drinks, and I replaced that with water. These days, once I get up, I'm good to go immediately. I run now, I do 5Ks. I'm working my way up to the marathon this year. So that's something that I would have never even thought about doing at 415 pounds. I would tell people who are struggling to lose weight, set small goals for yourself. Progress is the best motivator. When you lose 5 pounds, you're like, damn, I lost 5 pounds, maybe I can lose 5 more. Somebody's called me the infomercial guy, and I was like, what do you mean the infomercial guy? He's like, you're the guy on TV that holds up the pants and said, I lost 200 pounds. And people are like, that doesn't happen, that's not real, but I did that.
Stefan, come on out here.
You're not gonna believe this.
Literally like a movie star.
Thank you.
I mean...
And I was talking to him backstage. It's just like glowing. You must feel amazing.
I feel fantastic. Words really don't even paint the picture accurately.
And what a sharp-dressed man, well-tailored suit.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Is every part of life different for you? He said it's difficult just to walk downstairs.
Down the stairs. Going down flights of stairs, you know, just get down to the subway and be out of breath. And like, you get to that point, you're just, you know, this isn't how I should be living.